worse than when you hear your washer start to make that telltale banging sound, or like we were just saying, if your dishes aren't coming out of the dishwasher clean as you want them to be. But before you run out to buy a new appliance, check in with Dynamic Appliance because they are here to help. And today we have Scott and Kathy here to tell us a little bit more. So Scott, Kathy, thank you so much for being here. Tell us a little bit before we kind of get into all the nitty-gritty just about Dynamic and what you guys do.
So Dynamic Appliance Repair, we do in-home appliance repair for most major brands and models. Kathy and I came from competing businesses in the industry, and we came together to build Dynamic Appliance because we were a little upset about the lack of core values that we were experiencing with the companies we were working with.
I love that. So you guys came together to put together something that is really taking great care of people. Like you were at competing companies, you came together to say, let's make a company that really, really takes care of people first and foremost. So you mentioned this a little bit, but you are more in the repair side of it. So there's no sales side of it. Is that correct?
Correct.
Okay, so when you come out to someone's house, you're going to look at their appliances and you're going to say, how can we fix this before run out and buy a $2,000 washer?
Exactly.
Okay.
Our technicians receive regular continuing education. They're all trained on a regular basis at Dynamic Appliance Repair, and our customers get the best experience from our technicians because we pass on that education to the customers. We're teaching them about their washers, about their dryers, about their cooking appliances. We bring families back together by repairing those things and getting the family at the dinner table to have dinner together.
Absolutely.
Sending off the kids to sports with clean clothes. Customers are amazed when they see the things that are going on when we have repair persons or technicians in their home.
I love that.
Dynamic experience.
The dynamic experience, and that's where the name comes from, is that dynamic experience. You guys are helping people repair what they already have in their home rather than going out and spending all that money to buy something new. So you mentioned this, and I want to touch on this really quickly, that you guys are all about your core values. So Kathy, tell me a little bit about what your core values are.
Pride, integrity, compassion, camaraderie, and work ethic.
I love that.
And it really helps us stand out because our staff really has the same core values as us. So it makes us all on the same page, and that's why we have such good ratings, which Google reviews, we have over 1,100 five-star Google reviews, which is huge in the industry.
What?
We're very proud of that.
As you should be. That is incredible. And you were telling me a little bit earlier, and I said, I'll let you say the name because I don't know that I'll remember this, but you were recently awarded an incredible title. Tell me about that.
Yes, it's the 2023 Most Professional Servicer, which is the most prestigious award in the appliance repair industry. We were voted from 900 of our peers at the most recent appliance repair convention. ASTI? United Appliance Services Association. So we're very, very proud of that.
As you should be. Congratulations to you both. So tell everybody who's watching who maybe they have heard, unfortunately, that telltale sign, or like I was saying, my cups aren't coming out quite as clean. Tell everybody where they can find you guys to work with you.
You find us online, dynamicappliancerepairAZ.com. Follow our social media, where we often showcase a dynamic dog or dynamic pet of the day. Our customers love that. Then you can also reach us by phone, 480-590-7322.
I love that. Awesome. That's all right there on the screen. So if you guys are looking for some appliance repair, they are here to help you out.